Yo guys, welcome back to my channel, No Mercy GM. And right now I already used the Mooncat method to uh, make this bone blossom, but we just get 76 million. Yeah, the 76 million, the biggest right now. I think it's not big enough. We're gonna claim all of this bone blossom right here. Yes, I think we don't get the biggest, but it's okay. Got just 176 million, but I already have the 90 million here. Hey, wait. Is that the? It's still working. It's still working. I'm gonna throw here. Throw. Do we succeed here? Throw it. No. Okay. We have 4 bone blossom here, and we just get one biggest. Oh, I see that. I'm gonna claim it. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna claim that. Yeah, so far the Mooncat method that I use to just give me 76 million. Not bad, but this is not the biggest, you know. I heard someone that used this Mooncat method that they just have 700 million without mutation. So probably I want to try this Mooncat method. Before 700 million, I want just over 100 first, but the target is now below 100 million, is 76 million. But I already have this one, which is the base without mutation is 90 million without mutation. So I already made it to be rainbow, and I give the Windstruck mutation, a shock, Verdant, and Ancient Hammer and Ceramic. All of the 5 mutation are made by myself. So in the other video I will show you how to make the rainbow mutation, and then I will show you how to put the mutation with your pet. So we're not gonna wait the weather change to give you mutation, and we're gonna wait for hours and hours, a day and night. Maybe in the middle of the night you leave your phone, and then wishing that the weather will give you a good mutation. But as you guys know, the good mutation is on the update at the 8th, before 1 hour before the update every Saturday night there. Yeah. So if we put the mutation by ourselves, you just need see my other videos. I will try to teach you how to put the mutation like this. We have the go to the right. You see over here we have the Rainbow, Windstruck, Shock, Chocolate, Paradisal, Honey Glaze, Frozen Sandy, Moonlit, Infected, Ancient Ember, Ceramic, Pollinate, Disco, Cloud Touch. That later I will show you in the other videos. And right now we will try to make this giant bone blossom, but maybe in the next video I will try the other method, that using Triceratops or using the Echo Frog. I forgot to put the videos on when I used this Mooncat before, so I just get this mooncake method just give me 76 million. Okay guys, we'll go to the middles. Usually we're gonna check this and show the quest. This is for quest for get the Bone Blossom here, Dino Quest, and now you can get Bone Blossom quickly because we have a bonus quest that help you so much, help you a lot of help you reduce the time. Before you just have to complete the quest 3 per 12 hours. So one day at one day just six quests you just can complete the quest. So if you complete these 3 quests and you will be get this one, and the 6th quest you will get this ancient seed pack, and then 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So it will be a 1 week. 1 week, so it's you can get fastly with this bonus quest. So before we claim this, we have to use the Pachycephalosaurus. We're gonna go to the I already put the starfish level 50, so I want to claim my pet in this pet mutation. It's already done. Let me see what mutation that we got here. Okay, it's windy mutation. My starfish have a windy mutation. Let's go to my garden and then just put the windy. Okay, we're gonna pick this one mooncat and let's see how the windy is. Okay, basically the starfish have the ability to gain an additional 5.67 XP per second, but now because we already give the mutation, it will give you windy every 4 minutes and 55 seconds. 20.04 chance a nearby fruit become windstruck. I know one pet that have ability to make a windstruck. If I'm correct me if I'm wrong, it's called pterodactyl, right? Maybe I have one here. Yes, I have one here. We're gonna compare the pterodactyl with this mooncat. Which one is better to give the mutation? Okay, my pterodactyl is level 16, and you're gonna see the ability of the pet. Every 10 minutes flap his wing and send out a ripple of wind causing 3.41 random fruit to get windstruck, with 18.89% chance for twist to be applied as well. Then additional 14.69% increase to player jump height. So the pterodactyl give you ability to jump jump higher than before. But if we change the mutation, it costs you about 10 minutes and 49 seconds. I will choose my windy starfish because my windy starfish just need to wait 4 minutes and 54 seconds. So we're gonna check the seed. Like usually, you guys always check the seed, right? And I was always buy all of the stock over here because we don't know in the future we will need that. Like the quest, Dino Quest. One of the Dino Quests is you have to harvest. No, you have to plant 100 carrot seeds. So this carrot seed is very useful, and you're gonna have to harvest 500 strawberry, and you're gonna harvest 150 blueberry. And the orange tulip is for crafting, if I'm not mistaken. And the other, like corn, yes, this is for crafting the horsetail. So you guys have to try all of this. This is for crafting. No, this is for Dino Quest 2. Gonna plant 5 watermelon seed. The bamboo too, yeah, is for crafting the horsetail, if I'm not wrong. We go to the Recall Ranch and go over here. Yeah, this one. The horsetail, one of the Dino quests, you're gonna craft the horsetail. It costs you 1 Stonebite seed that you can achieve from the Ancient Seed Pack. The bamboo, this is the fruit, not the plant, right? Not the seed, I'm sorry. And the corn, the fruit corn. Okay. And as you can see, I'm not crafting anything. Okay, maybe I'm gonna craft this reclaimer because I'm gonna need this one. So you guys wondering how my money is have 343 trillion without cheating. I will show you the other videos how to make the money, right? And today we're gonna make another method. Like here, we're gonna make this bone blossom, the bigger and the biggest. I hope we get one, the biggest, with more than 100 million or bigger. Okay guys, this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.